Unlocking the digital age, the magic of digital whiteboards. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and innovative tool that has transformed classrooms, offices, and meetings around the globe. We're talking about the digital whiteboard. This video will explore what digital whiteboards are, how they work, and why they're becoming an indispensable part of our learning and working environments. So, let's get started on this technological journey and unlock the potential of digital whiteboards together. A digital whiteboard is an interactive display that combines the simplicity of a traditional whiteboard with the power of modern technology. It allows users to write, draw, and interact with content directly on the screen using a stylus or their fingers. But it doesn't stop there. Digital whiteboards are also capable of saving our work, sharing it with others in real time, and even integrating multimedia elements like videos and images. This makes them a dynamic tool for education, business, and creative projects. At their core, digital whiteboards use touch detection technology to register and respond to user input. This can be through infrared sensors, resistive touchscreens, or electromagnetic pen input, depending on the model. When you write or draw on the board, the device captures your movements and translates them into digital ink on the screen. Moreover, these boards are often connected to a computer or the internet, enabling a plethora of interactive features such as browsing the web, displaying presentations, and collaborating with others online. Digital whiteboards offer a multitude of benefits that traditional whiteboards simply can't match. They enhance interactivity in classrooms and meetings, making lessons and presentations more engaging and participatory. They also promote collaboration, allowing multiple users to contribute to the content on the screen simultaneously, even from remote locations. Additionally, digital whiteboards save time and resources by eliminating the need for physical paper and markers, and by easily saving and distributing the content created during sessions. Incorporating digital whiteboards into educational settings or workplaces can revolutionize the way we teach, learn, and collaborate. Teachers can use them to create interactive lessons that cater to various learning styles, while businesses can utilize them for brainstorming sessions, project planning, and remote meetings. The key to effectively using digital whiteboards lies in exploring their features, encouraging participation, and integrating them into our daily routines to enhance productivity and creativity. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of digital whiteboards and how they're changing the landscape of education and work. Whether you're a teacher looking to bring your classroom into the 21st century, a professional aiming to streamline collaboration, or just someone curious about the latest tech trends, digital whiteboards offer something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and we look forward to seeing how you'll make the most of digital whiteboards in your own life. Remember, technology is here to help us connect, create, and innovate. Let's embrace it and unlock the full potential of our collective creativity. See you in the next video.